What up, YouTube? Welcome to trail maintenance day on Get in Shape Canyon. You can see I brought my little Gerber axe with me. The bike park down there. Just trying to get some of this sagebrush out of the way. Made a slight change to the route. I used to come up that hill, take a right along this berm, and then another right here, and then get lined up to attack this hill right here. I made a little change so that when I come up the hill there and hook a right on the berm, there's just a straight shot right up the hill. That should make it a little bit more fun and efficient. It's a pretty gnarly looking hill when you stand at the top and look down. And then there's that one. I usually try to hook to the left and go between those two little rocks. Well, there's two large rocks up there. I've had to do a switchback up there before. Let's see if I can just go straight now. There's a little berm up there, if I can jump over that without hurting myself. Some other plans for the route, for the whole Get in Shape Canyon thing, is you come up this canyon over here, normally, and then you come up to this flat area down here where the bike's parked, and then you come up here and, you know, brap up the hill. I might make some alternate routes at some point. One would be going to the right down there, and then up that canyon, but that's going to require a lot of work and chainsaws and axes and stuff to clear the sagebrush. And then also I might do something with this little canyon over here. That's pretty gnarly and steep too. Can't really do anything. I don't really want to do anything until the snow fucks off a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna make one more final pass at this sagebrush and get on the bike and go back down to the beginning and get to it.